The table should look like this. It has 5 columns and 5 rows. Create table my employee. Inside the braces, ID is the first column. It's of type number of 4 and there's a constraint my employee ID NN not null. So this is the primary key. Last name varchar2 of 25, first name varchar2 of 25, user ID varchar2 of 8, salary number of 9, 2. This will create a new table called my employee. The table is created. Describe the structure of the my employee table to identify the column names. Describe my employee. We can see the table structure like this. Add the first row of data to the my employee table from the following sample data. This is the sample data. Insert into my employee values inside the braces 1, Patel, Ralph, R Patel, 895. These values get inserted in the respective order. You can see that one row is inserted. Let's do select star from my employee. Yeah, this is the row that was inserted. Populate the my employee table with the second row of the sample data from the preceding list. This time list the columns explicitly in the insert clause. Insert into my employee and inside the braces we are mentioning the column names. ID, last name, first name, user ID, salary. Then values 2, Danks, Betty, B Danks, 860. Let's run this. One row inserted. Confirm your addition to the table. Select star from my employee. You can see all the 5 rows are inserted. Load rows into the my employee table. Concatenate the first letter of the first name and the first 7 characters of the last name to produce the user ID. Set echo off, set verify off, insert into my employee values. We can take the values from the user. So $PID, $P last name, $P first name, and for the user ID we have to concatenate the first letter of the first name and the first 7 letters of the last name. So lower of substring of $P first name, 1, 1, that will pick the first letter of the first name, concatenate it with substring of $P last name, 1, 7, that is the first 7 letters of the last name, and the last value is $P salary. Then set verify on, set echo on. Let's run this. Enter the value for PID 6. Enter the value for P last name, first name, and let's see if it's inserted properly. Yeah, the 6th row is inserted. In the next question they've asked us to populate with some more data, so let's run it again. PID 7, the row is inserted. Let's view the table. The new rows are created like this. Make the data additions permanent. For that you can type commit or you can click on this symbol over here. Commit complete. Change the last name of employee 3 to Drexler. Update my employee. Set last name is equal to Drexler, where ID is equal to 3. We use the keywords update and set to update any rows. In the where clause, we identify the particular row. Here it is ID is equal to 3. Let's run this. One row updated. Let's view the table. You can see the last name of the third ID is updated. Change the salary to 1000 for all employees with a salary less than 900. For that, update my employee, set salary is equal to 1000 where salary less than 900. 5 rows were updated. Let's verify the table. You can see all the salaries which were less than 900 got updated to 1000. Delete Betty Tanks from the my employee table. For that, use the keyword delete. Delete from my employee where last name is equal to Tanks. Let's run this. One row deleted. Confirm the changes. That particular row is deleted now. Next, commit all the pending changes. Commit complete. Populate the table with the last row of sample data by modifying the statements in the script that you created in step 6. Run the statements in the script. Let's insert one more data. Let's see the output now. One more row was inserted. Mark an intermediate point in the processing of the transaction. For this, we can use the keyword save point. Save point, step 18. Save point created. Next, empty the entire table. For this, you can use delete keyword. Delete from my employee. You can see all the 7 rows are deleted. Let's confirm that it's true. Yeah, this table is empty now. Now, if you have to discard the most recent delete operation without discarding the earlier insert operation, you can just use the keywords roll back to. Roll back to step 18. Step 18 was our save point. So let's run this. You can see rollback is completed. Now let's see if the rows are still intact. Yeah, I have all the rows. In the end, let's commit it one more time.